What's up, guys? So in this video I'm going to be going over how I made close to $2,500 today trading SPX ES futures and trading a swing trade on BX stock. So we're going to go ahead, dive in, show you the exact trades I took, and let's go ahead and get into it. So we're going to start with the trades I took on SPY since that was the majority of the profit. Let me show you quickly right here. So again, traded BX 770, ES MES futures around 500, and then SPX close to $1,200. So let me go ahead and break that down for you. So morning plan today in SPY, price opened here, rallied all the way up to this 412.89 level, and then ended up coming back down all the way back to this 408. Market's still open, but I got out of my trades earlier in the day. So looking at the morning plan I had for today, I said SPY 408 to 415 is this larger balance zone. So you can see here, if we zoom out, we have this 408 down here and this 415 all the way up here. And you can see that we do have this larger kind of zone throughout here. There we go, finally loaded in. So we do have this pretty large zone. Price is very choppy, price is very up and down. So that was kind of what I was looking for into the market when the market opened. So you can see 408 area is also that demand. And so I said I like longs if price can hold that area. May see a spike below 407s, but we'll wait for confirmation. So if we look at 408, we can see price came down. If I zoom in on the 1 minute here, we held this 408 zone. We actually never got to it, but we held it and we spiked all the way up. And I'll show you on ES exactly what I saw, which gave me confirmation to get into the trade. Looking here on ES market open, so this is around that 408 area down here. What I saw was we had this huge volume spike on the 1 minute candle. Right through 4100, and we immediately shot all the way up and we were able to break this high here, break this mini supply zone. And once I saw that, we stop under this low here, we have high volume coming in, and we're able to break this supply zone here. That gave me confirmation that bulls were now in control. And the second thing I saw was that, okay, we have this 1 minute demand zone form, right? So we have demand zone, we have this 1 minute high break, and I figured, okay, we're at our 408 level, we're holding. This is my opportunity to get long. So if I look at SPY, go back to the 5 minute chart here, ended up getting long. Let me find it. So here it is, ended up getting long right around here. Put my stop a couple points below this zone. I wanted to give it a little bit of room, so I got in with those SPX credit spreads here. So I can go another video on how to use credit spreads in a different video if you guys want me to, but that's a whole other video in itself. But I got long credit spreads. First target was this VAL level I had marked here. Got out a few contracts there. Got out majority of my position at this POC level, and then got out the final target right at this 412.89. So that was a very key level. You can see in the chart I posted pre-market, I had that 412.89 level marked, and that ended up being the high of day. We had a double top there and a huge sell-off since. So overall, a very, very solid day. Was pretty much never red on the position the entire time. It was open, just simply, we held this 408, got in, had my stop in place. Trade did not take that long. Yes, it took a few hours to reach my target, but after we started breaking out here, I put my stop in and I put my targets in. I simply walked away from the charts, did not touch anything, and very, very easy trade. I was done within the first hour. So very simple trade, very incredible day today. Let me go over the BX trade I took as well. So looking at BX, this was a swing trade that I had from a few days ago. So if I zoom out a little bit, this was kind of the plan. So I got in short on this day here. So right around this level at 95.78. My stop was above here, above this high. So we stop hunted this high here, broke this demand. I figured, okay, I'm going to get short if we get a pullback. Got short, went against me for about a day and a half. And then today we got that gap down finally. We hit the first target. Ended up getting out entirely of my position. Typically, my original plan was to hold for a target down here. The reason I got out everything down here was simply because I am pretty bullish on SPY, and I figured that if this entire bull flag kind of holds and we're holding this 408 zone, I think we're going to see a move higher. So because of that, I ended up getting out 100% of my profit right at that first target instead of holding on. So overall, very happy with how the trade went. Like I said, very solid day today, totaling $2,500 in just the first hour of the market being open. I also traded some ES futures, basically took the same trade as I did on SPY, but I got out a little earlier because I was a little over leveraged on that trade. I didn't want to risk too much, wanted to keep my risk small. So got out the ES, everything at the first target, and held the credit spread for that other few targets. So overall, very, very solid day, in and out within the first hour, and I automated the rest of my trade, so I didn't even have to sit in front of the charts for the rest of the day. You can see now got out at the perfect price. This price is now coming down all the way. So overall, very, very solid day. If you guys enjoyed this trade recap, please let me know and leave a like and subscribe, and I'll make more of these trade recaps because those are the things that really keep me going. So also leave a comment down below of other different videos you want me to make, and I will do that and go ahead and do that for you. So hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.